Okay, so today we're going to do the unboxing of the held Annone GTX full leather motorcycle boots. They're in this box. But first, let me introduce you to my trusty Berghaus walking boots. Why am I showing you these? Well, these high-end walking boots have two features that the held motorcycle boots have adopted. First of all, it's the Gore-Tex membrane. So we can see here the boots carry the Gore-Tex symbol here. The held motorcycle boots also have the Gore-Tex membrane, which makes them fully waterproof, windproof, breathable, and capable of keeping your feet at just the right temperature, basically regulating your temperature. So that's the Gore-Tex membrane. I'm going to have to flip the boots over to show you another feature. Okay, so the walking boots carry a Vibram sole, and so do the held Annone GTX motorcycle boots. Now, if you're into your walking, you'll know that Vibram soles are absolutely synonymous with comfort and basically looking after your feet. Fantastically comfortable, making sure that your feet are tip-top all the time. So when you jump off the motorcycle and you're walking around, your feet will be looked after. Anyway, that's enough waffling about walking boots. Let's look at the motorcycle boots. So the boots come in this box, which is like a bit of a drawer system here. You pull these out and inside will be the boots. These are pretty cool for storage actually, because you can stack these up, so I quite like that. Let's get them open. Okay, so here's the inside of the box with the boots in here. We have the held Quattro Tempi logo on here. That stands for 4 seasons. It's the nice tissue paper, which is a lovely touch for the box. So let's flip this out and have a look. And there they are, and the smell of the new cowhide leather, it's absolutely fantastic. I love a new leather smell, very nice. Let's get them out and take a look. Big size 10 boot here, so I move the camera back a little bit, and you can see straight away we have the Vibram logo on there, so that's the sole. What we'll do is we'll just quickly flip that over and take a look. So you can see here, again, we have the Vibram logo on the bottom of the sole. We've got nice and grippy, non-slip sole here, which is great. Soles are resistant to all sorts of stuff, the usual petrol, etc. But these are super grippy, and they're going to be super comfy because they are Vibram. Other thing we can notice on here, apart from the held logo on the gear changer pad here, turn them around, and if you can look here, we have the Gore-Tex logo. So that's going to keep the old feet in tip-top condition. So we'll just rotate these around a bit. We got solid heel protection here, plenty of protection for the Achilles and obviously the calf. Talking of calves, we've got the velcro calf adjuster here, so you can pop that velcro open and you can pull that tighter or slacken it off, depending on how fat your calves are, or should I say muscly. Turning it up around here, got some nice leather shin protection here, and the whole boot just feels solid as well as being supple at the same time. Okay, what we have got here is one of the zips is just undone that, and if we can zoom on that, if you are a zip aficionado, you'll see that is a YKK zip. That's a good little cool thing here. So decent quality zips on these. What I like about these boots is you've got a zip on this side and you've got a zip on that side as well. So it's easy on. Let me show you what I mean by that. I'll just pop these open. See, there's a zip both sides of the boot, which means the front drops down like that, and that becomes really easy on and easy off. You just slip your foot into here, like in the little touches here, like the camo on there, which is quite cool. And you've got obviously the Gore-Tex membrane here, and inside of the boot. Lots of nice detail in there. There's your calf adjuster on the back. And the membrane. So obviously then that just goes up. You can adjust the velcro again here, bit of adjustment on there, do the zip up, and there's your boot. So just give it a bit of a rotate, and that is what it looks like. That is a decent boot. The Held Annone GTX full cowhide leather motorcycle boot.